Hello there. In this video, I am gonna show you how to change the name of the computer in Windows 11. Change computer name in Windows 11. When you install Windows and are in the middle of a long list of settings that you customize, you may forget to change the name of your device. This step is important if your device is connected to an internal network in your home or work and you want to access it. It is easy to identify it if it has a specific name and not a code like hundreds of other devices. 1. Go to Settings. 2. Choose System. From the side menu of Settings, choose System. 3. Select About. Scroll to the bottom of the page and select About. 4. Change the name. You will find the option to change the name at the top of the page. Click on Rename this PC. A window will appear for you to enter the new name. Enter the name you want, then click Next. You will be asked to restart your computer in order for the new name to appear. Reboot. Disclaimer: we recommend that you do not name more than one device with the same name, because you may encounter a problem when trying to connect them on the same network. Here we go. We are done. MD was with you here on Everything PS.